Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Binance card. Start by signing into Binance, complete identity verification, and enable two-factor authentication. Next, navigate to the Cards section, choose your card design, and submit your postal address. Fund your Binance card wallet with supported crypto or fiat, confirm activation steps by SMS or email, and follow delivery tracking until your card arrives ready to use. To qualify for the Binance card, confirm that your country supports the service and that you meet the age requirement. Complete identity verification with valid ID and a selfie, and ensure your account has no restrictions or unresolved issues. Some regions require additional documentation, so monitor your verification status and check email notifications for any requests from Binance support before proceeding with the card order. Order the Binance card by opening the Cards tab, selecting physical or virtual, and entering your shipping address if needed. Pick your preferred currency and decide whether to fund with spot wallet or a specific crypto balance. Confirm the card design, review applicable fees and daily limits, and complete the order. Activation typically requires a one-time verification and funding step, after which you can start using the card for purchases and ATM withdrawals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.